Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. This is a home page for Snowflake. So if you are not familiar with Snowflake, Snowflake is one of the most popular cloud data engineering platforms out there. You can use any major cloud providers like Amazon or Google Cloud Platform or Microsoft Azure. So this is a free trial and I am using AWS as a cloud provider, and the whole thing, this UI, this Snowflake UI, it's called Snowsite. I'm currently on my home page and I started my free trial few days ago. So the credit left right now is $399. Totally you will get $400 for 30 days. I haven't spent much, but you can use it as you want and can spend it in a single day or in total of 30 days. Let's learn how to get a free Snowflake account. You need to search for Snowflake trial. Once you Google for the trial account, you'll get a very first link where you can just click and it will take you where you can start your 30 days free trial. The steps are really simple. You just need to start with your name. I'll enter mine, and then it will ask you for work email. So it doesn't necessarily need to be your corporate email or a professional email. It can be anything. It can be a Google Gmail ID. So I'll put my Gmail ID. Once you put your email ID, a valid email ID, this will get green and it will ask you why are you signing up. You have to give a valid reason, or you can just go with other. um, let's just go with this one. I'm a student exploring Snowflake. Click on continue. On clicking on continue, it will ask you a school name. You can give anything in here. Otherwise, if you go with some other reason, then it will ask you questions relevant to that. Just in case I select other, then this will ask me company name, and it doesn't matter what you write here. In job title, you can say something like this. Now it will ask you for a Snowflake edition. So there are three Snowflake editions available right now in the market. One is the standard, enterprise, and business critical. Let's keep it as it is. And the last step would be to choose a cloud provider. Now you can choose any one of these three. These three are the only options when it comes to the cloud provider. I'll prefer AWS, or you can choose any other cloud provider. As you can see, this one, Microsoft Azure, it has a data center in Pune, so that can be a plus point where you can find a data center that is nearest to you. For Google Cloud, I don't see anything that's in India. This one is also, I'm not sure if it's from India or not. And in terms of AWS, they have a nearest one in Singapore. So let's continue with Microsoft Azure for now. I'll agree all the terms and condition and click on get started. So once you get started with this, you'll be able to see a mail as this one. So there will be a mail from Snowflake to activate your Snowflake account with a blue button for activating your Snowflake account, and this would be your account identifier. So every time you log into Snowflake, you will be using this URL. Keep in mind, this one is the account identifier, some random ID, and that can be used all the time when you are logging into Snowflake. And once you click here and your email ID is verified, you'll see another mail saying welcome to Snowflake, and there would be your username and the same URL. So once all that done, you can just come back here on your browser and start using Snowflake. From uh, the Snowsite UI allows you to do some basic tasks um, like exploring data, or you can add new data to your Snowflake account. You can add databases. You can create a new database from here. Under that database, you can have your own tables added, and like that. Also, you have worksheets and notebooks under projects. So this is a pre preloaded or pre-existing worksheet that is about loading sample data from Snowflake. You can create a new worksheet based on your preference. You can go with a SQL worksheet, or you can go with a Python worksheet, based on your requirement again. And then we have option to create a notebook. Notebooks are what you see in Google Colab or in Databricks, or Jupyter Notebook. So the notebooks with a cell structure can be available in Snowflake as well. Let's jump into it and create a notebook right away. We'll provide a name to this one, a database, and a schema attached to it. Then there is this compute warehouse for querying our data. So you can alter the notebook warehouse and query warehouse based on your needs, but what's available right now are just small size warehouses because of the free trial. um, you can hit this blue button saying create, and once you hit this one, it will create a notebook for you. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this one. Yeah, these are the simple steps to get started with Snowflake, and um, you can start the warehouse and start running the commands on Snowflake notebook and utilize your $400 free credit. That's that for this video. Hope you like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.